Everybody, welcome to our channel. As you know, we come with different tips and tricks for every tool. So today I have come with Lift Master. This is the usual commonly available uh, button for operating the gate, for lifting and for remote control for gate in a sense. So there are three switches here. So today I have come how to change the battery. So this one, as you can see, there's a clip here which you usually put over to attach to your car, so that it's intact. So this one we can pull it like this. So in order to change the battery, after that you have to look for these areas. As you can see, there is a slight area uh, where it's like a depth, so you can use the same tool to open it. Basically the battery is inside it, and you have to remove these two sections to uh, to replace the battery. So we have to insert like this, and then clockwise. So when you do clockwise, they come apart. Then we have to do a gentle maneuver of removing them completely. Always try like this, and then this portion as well. So don't worry, this comes away, it comes like this, so it's no problem, we can fix them. So again, so here you go. Now they are removed, the sections are removed. So now we will go ahead and replace this battery with a new one. This is usually CR2032 lithium cell 3 volt battery, easily available in Amazon or any other places. So this one is the new one. Let's keep it aside and let's remove this battery gently. And let's replace with the new one. So the battery replacement is done, step 1 done. The next part is to replace this section again. So as you can see, there are 3 batteries. These 3 portions will be aligned with these batteries. So to further so these holes, you just align them, and then there are these places which you can press to intact. And then go ahead and replace, and then gently press. So this is how you'll be replacing the LiftMaster battery, and I hope this video was useful. So this one you can slide like this back, and there you go, it's all done, it's all replaced with a new battery. So I hope this short video was useful for you. I will come up with another idea and another help for the community. Support the channel by subscribing, liking, sharing with your dear members. You all have a safe day, safe life. Be safe. and peace.